Wondering how to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently? Watch this video till the end to learn how to do that. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the chat icon. Here, open up any conversation. Now, unfortunately, there is no direct way to delete Instagram chat from both sides. However, you can still delete messages. For example, I have sent in this message. If you want to delete this from both sides, you simply want to tap and hold on that. Now tap on the unsend option. Tap on unsend. Once you do that, the message has been successfully deleted from both sides. Now you can do the same for the entire chat. Next way is you simply want to swipe up, which will enable the disappearing messages. It will now disappear within 24 hours after everyone has seen them. So these are two ways that you can use. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.